everybody, Heather from Pickin. I just unboxed a pallet. I was not in it, no. But all of these Kansas Jayhawks blankets were in here, and I want to discuss with you a fun way to sell them and a way to think outside the box, so to speak. And so I'm going to show you a few of the things that I unboxed in this pallet and tell you exactly where I'm going to sell them. All right, let me give you the specs on this particular pallet. This is one of the ones that I picked up when I did my bulk.com warehouse tour. They can't do customer pickups yet, but I'm hoping that they'll be able to do that soon. So I got this bulk.com pallet, had 412 items, took forever to unbox. And if you want to see the full unboxing, go ahead and check it out. I'll tag it at the end of this video. Sporting Goods, Northwest, Ideal, Jones Jeans, retailed for $7,742. My cost was $812. And then my cost in shipping, I calculated what it cost me for renting my truck, the Penske truck that we took, and gas and all that stuff, came out to $888, $2.15 per item. Your cost, if you would have bought this one online, would have been $812 plus $200 of the flat rate shipping. It'd have been $1,012 for you, $245 per item. So if you watched the first unboxing, you will know that there were tons of these Jayhawks blankets. Okay, so I wanted to give you a number based off of how quickly I can sell a lot of the things. And so my ballpark number that I think that I can make on this after looking through all the items that I got, and if you want to do a scan of what all I opened. So I've got some Crayola things, glitter Crayola things, some more blankets, some Burt's Bees, a lot of health and beauty items, some soccer balls, things like that, some exercise equipment, lots of these pool float things, some glitter pool float things, good thing it's made of foam, lots of makeup, New York Giants slip-on shoes in various different sizes, Ninja Turtle floaties, things like that, lots of paper towels. So what I wanted to tell you is I think that I can make $1,945, and that's a conservative estimate. Once I take my $888 off, I think my total profit's going to be $1,057. Now, let me tell you a few things that I want to give you kind of difference in numbers on. The floaties alone, when I scan them on Amazon, between the glitter floaties and the pizza floaties, I'm going to make $330 on just the floaties alone. Perfect time of the year to sell them, and I'm going to really watch those numbers because it's coming up on summertime, and that number that they're selling for could actually go up. So watch those things that are seasonal items. Also, the Crayola, I've got a bunch of these glitter Crayolas. These I can sell directly on Amazon. I'm not gated in, and because of the number of Crayola things I have, it's going to be about $48 that I'll make on just Crayola alone. And then let me think, what was the other thing that I had? The cleansers. I have these facial cleansers. They're all natural tea tree oils, and I've got 10 of these, and they were going to be selling after fees on Amazon. All these numbers are after fees on Amazon info. About $8 I can make on each. So I can make about $80 just on those facial cleansers alone, as well as various different other things that I'll make money on, like these glitter glues, you know, because they're Crayola, they're worth it, and things like that. But the biggie that I wanted to talk to you about was I got 129 of these. So when I look them up, when I scan them with my Amazon app, if I sent them into FBA, I can make $1.95 a piece. Well, right here it shows me $2.15 is what I paid for them. So I'm actually legitimately losing money if I think about it. So you do that, and I'm making just, what, $200 or $300 on these. But they're actually selling on Poshmark. These are all in brand new condition. They came out of a brand new pallet, like brand new conditioned pallet. They're going on Poshmark. They're selling for around $15. I take my Poshmark fees off, and I'm making $12 a piece. Let's say they don't go for $12. I don't get $12. I have to lower the price a little, and I make it $10 a piece. I just made $1,000 in blankets on Poshmark instead of Amazon. And so you need to think outside the box and make sure that you have other ways to sell things, because I went from $200 to $300 selling these to $1,000. And so if you can think outside the box and sell them on different areas that are going to be much more beneficial, then it's going to be worth it to you. So make sure you're thinking outside of the box and thinking of different platforms, Mercari and eBay and Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace, Amazon, all of those different things. You know, you can't just be a one-trick pony when it comes to the platform you sell on, because you can make $700 more if you sell it somewhere else. So hopefully it's been helpful to see kind of what I got in this brand new pallet. If you want to see the full unboxings, check the link at the end. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from HookedOnPickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.